Hi, this is Linda with Crafty Music Maker again for the third recorder lesson. Now, when I was teaching some students this week, they really struggled from B to A and then A to G. So I thought we'd just do one more practice lesson of just B, A, and G. Now, if you've been with me this whole time, you should know three songs by now, or at least attempted three songs. And so today I just want to go ahead and get some more practice on those fingerings and then teach you one more song. So just be my echo. Remember, you've got your left hand on top, thumb on that back hole, first finger for B, second finger for A, third finger for G. Use the pads of your fingers, not the tips, and you're going to breathe into the recorder. If your pitch is not matching mine, make sure the recorder is snug all the way up here and don't be overblowing, which would raise the pitch and make us not be in tune. It could be that our recorders might be a little bit different, and so air adjustment can make it raise the tone or lower the tone. So just be my echo. Very good. Remember, every single time you start a note, you're going to use your tongue and you're going to start the note with the tonguing, a do or a two. Two is a little more explosive and it might send your recorder into like a really high pitched, annoying sound. So when you're first getting it, that might happen, but at least you're tonguing and then you'll realize I need to back off a little bit and that'll be a nice, gentle tongue for every note. Now this time let's do A and G. Good job. Now let's combine B, A, G. Well, let's put some jazzy rhythms in there. I did what we did in the last video and that went from B to G, okay? So let's try that now. Make sure you put them down exactly at the same time or you might get another note in there. And for those of you who are gifted and talented in the recorder department, Wonderful. Now let's go over the three songs that you already know if you've been taking the videos. We're going to go ahead and with hot cross buns. Let's chin it once, put on your chin, and we'll just say the letter names. I have not had a voice for a couple weeks, otherwise, I would sing the correct pitches. And as a music teacher, I lose my voice way too often, so I'm just going to say the letter names. We have B, A, G, B, A, G, 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 A, B, A, G. Let's try playing it. Let's try it one more time. Awesome. Let's move on. Our second song, Mary Had a Little Lamb. And let's chin it first. B, A, G, A, B, 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 A, B, B, B. B, A, G, A, B, 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 A, B, A, G. Now, if you didn't do the second video, you might want to go ahead and go back. But let me do it in two chunks, just in case it's been a while since you've watched that video, even if you did do it, okay? So chin it and be my echo after the first half. Your turn. My turn. Your turn. Very nice. Let's see if we can do the whole thing through. Let's play it twice. One more time. Very good. Now, if you notice on this video, I've put my right hand thumb behind that fourth hole. That's where it eventually needs to be. Now, the first two videos, I said, hey, put it down here, get it out of the way so it's not on top of the other notes. But eventually you're going to have to get that right hand thumb right up there. So really the only thing that's holding your recorder up once you play it in correct position is the right hand thumb's pushing up and just your lips have a little bit of firm pressure on the mouthpiece, okay? The other fingers are not holding it up. When you're holding down here though, your thumb and first finger are kind of like stuck to those notes and using it as the holding it up. But eventually we will not be always using B or that fingering right there, and so they need to be released. So if you want to get used to that, put it right there. If you want to continue doing the right hand down here, that's fine too. All right, let's go ahead with the third song, Fe Do Do. Now last time, that's when I taught you how to go from B to G. All right, so let's chin it first. B, A, G, G, A, G, A, B, G. Let's do that again. B, A, G, G, A, G, A, B, G. Let's play it. more time. Good, that's the first half. Here's the second half on chin. B, A, G, G, A, B, A, G. One more time. B, A, G, G, A, B, A, G. Let's play the second half. Start on B. One more time. Good. Let's chin the whole thing and then we'll play it twice. All right, here we go. B, A, G, G, A, G, A, B, G, B, A, G, G, A, B, A, G. All right, let's play it. Let's do it one more time. Very nice. All right, let's move on to a new song. It's called French Song, and it's Claire de la Lune is what its real name is, and it's very very simple. And this one uses all three notes, and this is what it sounds like. So before we went from B to G, now we're going to skip from G to B. So instead of putting down two fingers, you're lifting two fingers at the same time. All right. So listen, chin it, the first part. G, 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 A, B, A. All right. Let's just play that much. Pretty easy, right? Let's try it again. Now, here's a little bit tricky part. G, B, A, G. Let's do it one more time. G, B, A, G. And let's play it. Let's try it again. If you're struggling with it, let's do it really slow. One more time slow. Let's play it a little faster, just a little. Even slightly faster. So let's chin the whole song now. G, 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 A, B, A, G, B, A, G. Let's play it. Let's try it again. Wonderful. Now you've got 4 songs under your belt, so to speak. If you are enjoying these, please like them and subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get notifications of future videos. And you certainly can go to my blog, craftymusicmaker.com, as well. I hope you have a great day.